Hey guys, today I'll be stepping on my fidgets. First up, let's do this pineapple poppet. Most of the pops went down. Next we have this narwhal Orbeez ball. Nothing happened, but it was still super satisfying. Next up we have a dimple. All of the bubbles popped, but it didn't make a super loud noise. Next up we have a dough ball / Nido. Nothing really happened to it, it was just super satisfying and it got very hairy. Next we'll be doing a shark dimple. This one wasn't really satisfying, but it's exactly what I expected, it just popped. Last but not least is our unicorn squishy.